Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I will discuss on how to write a program using Rust programming language that will convert 100 US dollar into Philippine Peso. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. While I'm learning Rust programming language, I just discovered that some of the commands is somewhat similar to C, C++, including Python. So here in my text editor, I'm using Visual Studio Code. So I declare this function fn main. It is the starting and ending point of every execution in Rust. So the file name is us_peso.rs. We have here begin, let us_dollar, we have 100, let fill_peso equals US dollar, we multiply by 55.20. Let us assume that $1 is equivalent to 55.20 pesos. Now, the next question here, how do we put decimal places to decimal places? So I declared another variable, let display_us format curly open and close curly braces colon dot 2 means 2 decimal places comma US dollar. The same thing with let display_peso fill_peso, and then we have here display, no, backslash n new line vertical backslash t horizontal tab, the dollar US dollar is equal to Philippine Peso display_us display peso, and then we close. Don't worry guys, because I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today. So let us go with our command line. Let us go to the cd rust, and then we call our compiler rust c space us_peso.rs. When we press the enter key from our keyboard, it will compile and convert into executable file. So they are us_peso.exe. we have here the executable file, no? When we run us_peso, press enter key, we have here the 100 US dollar is equals to 5,520 Philippine Peso. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. You may click also the notification bell so that you will be notified with my newly uploaded video. So this is your friend Jake saying, see you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.